Put a garlic clove in your ear and you won't believe the results. You've probably never thought of doing this, but when you find out the reason, I bet you'll rush to do it. It's a very simple trick, but I guarantee it will be very useful. Garlic is an edible plant that grows in various places around the world, widely used as a seasoning and for cooking. But what many don't know is that the use of garlic goes far beyond that, and that's what I'll show you in this video. Before telling you what putting garlic in your ear is for, I'll show you some other uses of garlic, which will also be very useful. Fighting acne and pimples. The antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties of garlic help fight the bacteria that cause pimples. To do this, crush the garlic and then dilute it in water. Then apply the paste to the desired area and leave it on for a few minutes. Then rinse. You will see a great improvement in pimples, getting rid of dandruff. This problem is quite common, and those who suffer from dandruff know how difficult it is, so garlic can be your solution. To do this, just grate 4 cloves of garlic, then add a tablespoon of olive oil. After that, let it rest for 1 or 2 days at room temperature. After that time, just apply the mixture all over your hair, including the scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash normally. The dandruff will disappear. Improving cold symptoms. Chop a clove of garlic and put it in hot water and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then strain the mixture and drink it. This is a powerful natural syrup and will help reduce those annoying cold symptoms. Now that you know other useful uses of garlic, I'll show you why you should put garlic in your ear. All you have to do is take 2 cloves of garlic and chop them. Then add them to a frying pan with a tablespoon of olive oil. Let this mixture cook over high heat until golden brown. When it's like this, you can turn off the heat. Now just take the liquid and put it in a container. When it cools down, dip a cotton ball in the liquid and place it in your ear and leave it for 3 minutes. This will relieve you from earaches, usually caused by inflammation or infection. My grandma and your grandma used to do this in the past. And today, the younger generation has lost this powerful natural remedy with this powerful ingredient called garlic, which besides being very good for our bodies when we eat it, is also perfect for these problems that happen in our ears. So that's it. Did you like this tip? I hope you did. A hug and see you in the next video.